duties and responsibilities of floor supervisor. If you are working in a 5-star hotel, you are supposed to check the rooms cleaned by the room attendant, and at least 60 rooms in a day has to be checked by the floor supervisor, including vacant room, occupied room, and departure room. And all these rooms has to be cleaned according to the standard of 5-star hotel. As a supervisor, you are supposed to lead, train, and motivate your staffs. If your staffs are doing good work, you need to appreciate them so that they feel motivated and give good result in their work in future also. As a supervisor, you are supposed to check VIP rooms. VIP rooms has to be given special attention while cleaning, and VIP supplies also need to be kept in room like fruit basket, flower arrangement, extra bathroom, and room supplies. Floor supervisor need to check the maintenance required in a room. If there is any defect in a room, then supervisor needs to contact to maintenance department. Floor supervisor needs to check for lost and found in a room. If there is any lost and found, immediately inform to front office department so that they can contact to the guest if the guest is present within the hotel premises. As a supervisor, you also need to check for all the safety and security system present in your floor. All the safety equipments has to be in good condition. If there is any defect, inform to the concerned department so that they can rectify all those kinds of equipments. We are here for the safety and security of the guest. So if any defect is found out, don't ignore that. Immediately inform to the concerned department. As a supervisor, you need to coordinate with room service department. In room, there might be soiled trays and trolleys. So you have to immediately inform to room service so that they can come and clear those trays and trolleys, and housekeeping can continue with their work. As a supervisor, you should ensure that floor pantry and room attendant's trolley is always stocked with linens, room supplies, and bathroom supplies, so that while cleaning the room, they should not find any kind of shortage of this kind of materials. As a supervisor, you are supposed to handle out of order room in a proper manner, and also need to inform to the front office department so that they could not sell that room to the guest. As a supervisor, you should conduct a spring cleaning schedule in your floor by asking the executive housekeeper, and also need to inform to the front office department when you are doing such kind of cleaning task. These are the duties and responsibilities of a supervisor who is working in a 5-star hotel.